Hey there, it's Dan Hamilton with Hamilton & Company of Keller Williams Realty, coming to you from a brand new construction home that we are about to close on here in just a couple days in Ivy Walk in Simpsonville. And built by local builders, Enchanted Construction here in the upstate. And I'm coming to you today from this new construction home because I want to tell you about a couple benefits to buying a new construction home. With where we are right now in Greenville and throughout the upstate, pretty low inventory, new construction is becoming a very, very popular choice, has been for a while, but now more than ever. And there are a couple of benefits to you as a buyer for new construction. One is everything's brand new. I mean, that kind of goes without saying, but that means when you move in, everything works correctly. A lot of times the builders will do a walkthrough, make sure everything is working correctly. And if you have a problem, you've got one phone call, everything's under warranty, many times for at least a year, sometimes more. So there's a lot of peace of mind coming from that, knowing that things are gonna work correctly. You're not gonna have more out-of-pocket expenses. Secondly, we find that the energy efficiency of the new construction home versus older construction really lends itself to very low utility cost, low cost of ownership over time, which really kind of helps that checkbook throughout the year as well. There's many more benefits to owning new construction, to buying new construction here in the upstate. If we can help you, if we can answer any questions, maybe represent you on new construction to that builder, because remember, the builders, the on-site agents work for the builders, whereas we can help you and negotiate the best deals for you. But we'd love to see you here at Ivy Walk as well in Simpsonville, homes from the 240s. We'll put some information here in this video where you can click and see what we have available right now. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.